Meaning of desperation.
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 Desperation. Desperation refers to a state of extreme despair or hopelessness. It is characterized by a sense of urgency, anxiety, and a willingness to take risks in order to alleviate one's circumstances. People who are desperate may engage in behaviors that are normally frowned upon or even illegal, if they believe it will help their situation. The result of desperation can vary depending on the context, but it often leads to impulsive decision-making, increased stress, and a sense of powerlessness. In many cases, desperation can be resolved through seeking help from others, but it requires the willingness to ask for assistance and accept guidance.